Chenggukjang is a Korean traditional fermented soybean paste rich in nutrient, a savory nutty flavor, and a healthy fermented substances.
고유의 진한 맛.
고향을 그리워하면서 먹을 수 있는 그런 향토 음식 같은.
So I brought this recipe just for you. 청국장찌개. Today we're making 청국장. So those are ingredients that I'm going to use today. All the recipe is down below the descriptions. We are going to slice white radish, shallot, zucchini, and tofu. And shredded mushroom as well. In a hot pot, bit of oil, shallots in, pork bellies in, salt and pepper, making sure nicely seasoned. Minced garlic in, frying them with oil from the meat. When the meat starts colored, 4 tablespoons of cheonggukjang. Saute them really well for about 5 minutes. You'll need 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That goes right in. 200 grams of kimchi in. White radish in as well. Pour over mushroom stock, making sure bring all the flavor together. To finish with, adding tofu, zucchini, and mushrooms. In about 5 minutes, it's ready to go. Looks amazing, isn't it? Oh, can't wait to tasting.
오랜만이다. 진짜 샐러드로 먹는 것도 맛있는데 이렇게 청국장은 언제나 먹어도 안 되는 것 같아. 고소해.
맞아. 맛있어.
아니 저 이렇게 먹으면 한 번 금방 먹겠다. 안녕.